Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the 10-inch system we fit into Toyota Yaris 2009, and you can see the system is fit nicely here, very nice, to the dash, correctly and positioned correctly in the middle here. Everything's nice on the side, so everywhere bottom and top look nicely, and it won't bother your air conditioner much. It's just very little on the top, so yeah, it's good, not a problem. It doesn't bother your emergency button as well. And this one is fit again. This is the 10-inch full package, wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and Full HD reverse camera. And if you know that we still are waiting to get our iPhones back, so we don't have the iPhone showing on the screen for test, but definitely it works. And then we can put the gear stick to the reverse, and then we see how clear it is, and we quickly put it into the front, and it comes back to front, and reverse, and it comes reverse again. Super clear, super detailed. It is 9 p.m. here in this area, and outside is simply dark. You can see it's outside now, it's very dark on the street. It still has the street light, but it's definitely in the night time. It is awesome. That's what we want to see for the super night vision reverse camera. So again, this is 10-inch full package Toyota Yaris 2009, and it is beautifully fit and correctly adjusted firmly against the dash everywhere, no movement, and right in the center, everything, and don't bother all the function. So I'm sure the owner who are coming will be happy with this. And thank you again for watching, and see you on the next one. Just have a look around again and again. Reverse camera.